Hello, Eloise here, and today we are heading to the mall. Level 13, so I told you guys I'm gonna head to the mall, and I wasn't gonna record it, but I did, because, I thought that you had to be player level 13 to get the Golden Hills Valley, and that's what I would be recording right now. But that's not what you needed. You actually needed, I don't really remember what it was. So yeah, we're gonna hit Governor's Fall first, because I know if I go to the mall, I'll buy everything I see at first, because, I don't know, yeah, I don't really look at stuff at Governor's Fall first, so yeah, kind of like the music that's here. Now okay, so I think it's this store. Yeah, it looks like it's this store. Okay, here it goes. So yes, we're gonna be trying to look for some things. But no promises, we might just leave. Dang it, these lug wraps are really nice, and I can afford them all, but sorry, I'm gonna set it to the right color, and then I'm just gonna move it. Right, I don't need this in the way. There we go. I don't really like their black bridles they have. I like the black bridle that I already have. Oh, this one's kind of nice, but I still think I like the one from the mall more. Now for the white saddle pad that I really want. Oh, wow. This one's Expedia, though. And I can't even buy it. Okay, well, looks like we're not buying anything here. Not for horses, at least. Whoa, I remember I got hit by a car the other day. They should really change it so that cars are actually, people are not blind, and then the car will actually stop and honk at you. That would be really cool, because then you wouldn't, get pushed over. Right, so now we need... this one's nice, but it costs star coins. What about white riding gloves? Dang it, there are none. Why does everything cost star coins here? I need me star coins, game. These are nice, but... there's... So yeah, I think that everything you can buy here is all star coins, or it costs okay, well, looks like it's time to head to the mall. That was fast. Now, where's the trolley? I hate how you have to wait for the trolley. Oh wait, I think there's one that stops over here. Oh no, here it comes. Yay, trolley! It's cool how the cars are moving, though. Yeah, so we're gonna take the trolley back. Click. York City Mall. Wow, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to click that. It's harder when it's just stopped. So, yes. Yeah, alright, I forgot. That person's here, still waiting. I got that quest, yesterday. I kind of feel bad. I'm just making them sit there. Is he gonna come? I don't care. I'm not gonna do the quest. Because I probably won't be questing again for the day. I don't know. So first up is our horse, because that is why we came here. So yeah, now we're looking for the saddle, and I get there's this one, which I could have bought when I was player level 9, but I like this one much more. And yeah, we're about to buy it. Bam! Now it's time to head out of here. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna find a white saddle pad. Hey, this one's nice, but it costs a lot of money. This one's also really nice. I should have brought more things to sell. Will I really have to go all the way back to Oh well, now it's time to look for a new jumping saddle, because I really don't like the one that I have. What? Ah, I could have sworn... I swear there was one here like a while ago that I really like. Do they remove things from the mall? I really hope so. I really hope not. Oh, that one's nice. I'm sorry, I love shopping in this game way too much. I spend so many Yorvik shillings. Look, I got my new saddle. I kind of want to sell the mail order saddle, but it would give so little money, like there's no real point. So yes. Oh, look. Yeah, it's this one, but like always, it's cost much. Wait. I'm gonna head home quickly and then quickly see if I can sell something. Like a lot of shirts. Go back to Fort Pinta. The cool thing is, like, the bus ticket costs 1,000 Yorvik shillings. 100 Yorvik shillings at first. And then you can use it, like, millions of times. I'm gonna bring me horse, because I don't want to leave me horse. And by the way, if you have a Kenamerica, or whatever the pony's called, you should totally go, because Guillermo, or whatever his name is doing the Horses of Yorvik again. I wasn't playing the game last time he did the Horses of Yorvik, but suggestion, head there. Yes. So yeah, now we're gonna find a bunch of shirts I don't like and sell them all. Yay. Okay, so let's start out with the t-shirts, because I have millions of those. Perfect. That's starter gear. I don't really like this one, because the stats are kind of low. Wow, there's a lot of things in here I don't like. Cantor Ella crew shirt. I'm sorry, Ella, but hey, that's my name. I never actually noticed that, but oh yeah, I did. Of course I did. Wait, what's this? Yeah, sorry people, I might have no more t-shirts after this. No more t-shirts. It's just, I hate so many of these. Like, the stats are so low. I'm gonna keep that one because it doesn't give you any money. Now, here's all the stuff that I got for no money at the store. Wow. Yeah, a Be Inspired t-shirt I can give away. Sell. Cupcake top I'm gonna sell, unfortunately. And the guard t-shirt. Now I need to put all of this stuff back. So yes, as well as watching me go to the store, you're gonna watch me sell some things. Let's just say when I'm shopping for horse stuff on the game, nothing really stands in my way. I just sell everything I don't like. This one's not nice. I'm gonna pause this because you guys are probably getting really bored. Bye. Don't click this video off. Hello, we are back at the mall and we are $6 short of having the maximum amount of star coins. So I thought there is a selling thing here, so if we ever ran out, yeah, we can just sell some more here. So yeah, we're mainly looking for a white Salapad, and I don't get how, but I clicked on the white thing and this came up. Oh, it's because it has one little white patch. Ugh. Star Stable, really? Now that white blanket I can afford, but it's really expensive. Ugh. Here's an idea for the Star Stable committee. Number 1, subscribe, everyone. Down below, people. Okay, not advertising time. Yeah, subscribe. But yeah, they should totes like lower the prices on this thing. Here it is. But it costs so much. I'm not gonna buy it because I think the stuff that I have is better than that. So yeah, we're ready to go, I think. It's a Liberty style saddle. Nice. I like Liberty. But I also like saddles. Like, the only reason I really buy new saddles is for showing. I would stay like this forever. Just had to check that chat. Now we're heading. Wow, are these all? No, that's maybe. Oh, I think I'm supposed to do a quest with that person so that all these waiting people I can watch the show. That's kind of bad because I'm making some people wait. So yeah, now we're for my person. So first of all, I kind of need some new jeans. New jog pairs, I should say. Because I don't... These are kind of nice, but they're not what I had in mind. So I'm not going to get them. Let's check the gloves first, because I really need some white gloves.
I gotta call you back. Something's wrong.
White field gloves.
I think something's wrong with the line.
Yeah, and then... Oh, these ones are really nice. I'm gonna buy them. So yeah, sorry, it wasn't all you guys watching me buying stuff in this video. So yeah.
Okay, bye.
See you guys next time. No, don't click this video off. I'm still buying things. 3 more minutes. But it was already on that. Now, what am I doing? I already have black boots. They're right here. Now, maybe a riding helmet? No, we're looking for... I really need, like, a showing jacket.
Yeah, no.
Oh, right, it's because it's set on the black setting. It set it on the all colors setting. I never really noticed this, but Star Stable has some really ugly looking clothes. I'm sorry, Star Stable, but you do.
Well, I am working from home, so I did some work this morning.
Yeah, so let's see if we have any red. No, that's not what I want. I guess. Oh, look, it's Liberty. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I guess. When I do need to show, I can wear this one. So I guess we're good. But I don't really like the look of that one. Let's look if we have anything we can buy here. Any black jeans, maybe?
No, I started now. It just takes all day.
Oh! No, those are cowboy pants. I don't really need anything for Western. Oh!
I just have potatoes that I...
Wow. I really like those, but it's gonna cost me star coins. Do I really need more things to sell? Nah, I can't. I've sold everything I can sell. Dang it. Well, yep, I guess we're going with the thing I saw. What did I even see? Oh no, now I forget. Oh right, it was in the red category. It was this. Red sweater with emblem. Emblem? I don't know. Yes, so today we went shopping. Oh, right, I still have some things to sell. Yay. Oh, great. I guess I remembered too soon, because now we can't buy the other thing. And now for the last $4. Yeet. Yes, so see you guys next time. Bye. I'm probably going to get into shopping so much within the time. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Is there any red boots? Like, that would kind of be cool. Maybe black boots? White boots. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't need to continue watching this video. Subscribe!